So wanted to do a build update for the Focus. So as you can see, it's plasti dipped. I did not use a sprayer. I just used, like, I don't know, 30 cans or whatever. The roof doesn't look good. The hood doesn't look good. The sides aren't half bad. I also put the flares on the front. Turned out pretty decent. I like it. I got lower profile tires. For me, they're kind of too low profile. I don't like feeling every single bump when I'm riding down the road. What else? Yeah, so coilovers, and I slammed it to the ground as far as it would go. Yeah, and the exhaust. I straight piped it from the downpipe back with 2-inch, and then about halfway it goes to 3-inch to, can't really see, to a glass pack muffler, and I think that's about it. I've had it parked for about a month, and that's because I got this. And yes, it is the V8. And so today I'm about to install these, the Borla Switchfire mid pipes. So I'm about to put the car up on stands and get underneath it and try and make this work. Okay, y'all, so I got the old mid muffler off, resonator, whatever you want to call it. As far as the weight comparison, I can tell that I'm out of breath. Taking this off really was harder than I thought it would be. But as far as the weight comparison, I can tell that these new X pipes are definitely a lot lighter than what comes stock. So now it's time to get this up under there, clamp it down. Hopefully it'll be as easy as I said. Alright guys, so I got it on, I got the car lowered, cranked it up. I like the way it sounds so far. I'm gonna do a few little revs and then I'm gonna go for a drive and see how it is.